Aarti. I work as a senior delivery manager which manages SAP delivery operation for Kyndryl, and the way they have conducted the training is tremendously not possible thing which I would say, because the whole day is packed with activities, just activities. There is no PPT. It's the first time I'm seeing something like that. Yet after every activity there was a lot of informative things they are trying to correlate with the delivery. Again, after the activity, what we learned from the activities, correlate it with your delivery, work, business. So we are talking business in a very fun way. I know a lot of thought processes went behind that, and in these kind of activities, especially when you are teaching business in form of fun, there are a lot of distraction, diversions happen. So how is he controlling the diversion or distraction? In that way as well, he's not stopping people, he is allowing the thought process to flow. Even then, he's putting his points in between brilliantly to avoid the deviation. So that's something brilliant which I learned. Generally, when I feel people are talking too much, I try to intervene. Okay, let's move here. So, but that intervention was so grace that he was appreciating those people and taking it further away. So the whole day was very funful. Thank you, Ujjwal, for making it possible for us. Thank you.
Sarita Naidu. I am from Kyndryl, work out of Chennai, and I manage the global delivery for Network and Edge practice. Today's program, which is led by Ujjwal and Selvan, both are amazing. They have a lot of patience and they have made it there's not 1 minute that you would get bored of or have time to think of anything else. It is completely fun-filled, packed, action-packed program. I thoroughly enjoyed, and I would definitely recommend people to take this program and encourage your teams to participate.
Aruna Chadaga. I'm working in Kyndryl as a manager. This is a very awesome experience today. The team building activity is, I never expected it will be like this, okay? We have worked with the different mindset of people, different leadership, how it will works and all. So this really make us to pass this message to our team also. So we have worked with any environment, and anything we can take in with confidence, and we can deliver the like a good deal and all. So really a very nice one. I'm really appreciate you, Ujjwal and team. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Vidya Prabhu. I work as an associate director with Kyndryl Solutions. Through the training program at RACE via REVA University, today's session was completely engaging. Thanks to the team of 2 trainers, our brilliant male allies who helped us learn life lessons and corporate lessons. Thank you, team.
Though we are all from Kyndryl, we haven't met each other. The whole team building activity makes sure that we are all aware of each of our strengths and weaknesses, accept each other to bring in the projects that were assigned to us. It was a lot of fun and learning together. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Reshma Nurullah, and I'm with Kyndryl for the last 12 years. I'm part of the WPP account and working as account portfolio manager. Today's session was tremendous, the way it had come out, the way we had interaction with the teams, and the one part which I liked was, not making us to stay in the comfort zone, right? So that was something which was a very good learning for me, because wherever we go, we worked as a team. So that was one of the good learning. And the last bit of activity, the Ripple activity, was something because I would never forget during my lifetime tenure. So that was really awesome. So that's it. Thank you for providing this opportunity.
My name is Shajriya. I'm from Kyndryl. So today's session overall was something which was unexpected, because we've been so busy with our lives, with all these meetings and escalations. It definitely brought the kid, what we've always hidden and kept it, that definitely came out with the message. So that was something really unexpected, very well balanced, and believe me, this would be remembered forever. Whenever we look back at a Kyndryl experience, we would always think how Kyndryl gave us an opportunity to go to REVA, enhance our skills, also create these memories forever. Thank you.